When you first go to the contacts page, you'll see your primary contact with other contacts beneath it. If you want to edit the contact, click this button with the pencil. You can change any of the contact information. You can select the preferred contact method and just hit save. And to expand any contact, just click on it. You can send an email or call the contact by clicking send email or call. And in the conversations tab, this is where you can add conversations that you are importing into Brelly. So click new conversation, name the conversation, click save, and then you can label it either as email, text, call, or in person. Click who it's with. So if I had an in-person conversation with Roberto and I had a recording device like a Plod, I could put the transcription here. You'll find this conversation on the timeline, and Brelly is able to pull context from these conversations into your claim. And that's how you use the conversations page in Brelly.